Are you struggling to create eye-catching graphics for your social media posts, website, or blog? Do you want to improve your online presence with stunning visuals but don't know where to start? Look no further, as I have the solution for you. I am excited to offer practical Canva tutorials that will help you unleash the graphics creator within you and start growing your online presence. This product offers beginner and advanced levels, where in each level you'll get access to the following: 20 over-the-shoulder tutorial videos that walk you through step by step. You'll get a transcript of all of the videos, as well as MP3 audio of the videos, and a time-saving and error-preventing checklist for all of the videos. The beginner level will teach you how to search for templates that you can use as a guide, as well as how to create your graphic material. Also, you'll learn how to apply for an affiliate program giving you additional stream of income. But these are just some of the topics explored. There's more. For the advanced level, you'll be taught how to create your very own mockup, PowerPoint, and even a website. Now, isn't that exciting? Well, there are 17 other video tutorials included. Plus, you can gain access to both levels, which means 40 instructional videos on Canva techniques if you get the bundle package, which I did. By the end of their tutorials, you'll be confident to create graphics that stand out on social media and help you grow your online presence, whether you're an entrepreneur, blogger, or content creator. These practical Canva tutorials are perfect for anyone looking to enhance their visual content. So don't let your lack of design skills hold you back. Sign up for practical Canva tutorials today and unleash your creativity. And if you decide to get this, you're going to get some amazing bonuses, and we're going to that next. Here we are on my bonus page. So anytime during this review of practical Canva tutorials, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below this video. It'll take you directly to this bonus page, and there are multiple links on my bonus page to take you directly to pick up your copy of practical Canva tutorials. So what is practical Canva tutorials all about? Well, these are over-the-shoulder instructional videos that allow you to become a master of Canva. This product has beginner, advanced, or bundle, advanced and beginning together, levels available for purchase. So I personally went through the bundle, and I have to tell you that I was pretty much very impressed, because Canva has their own trainings. This is complimentary, but it goes way more into detail than what Canva offers. So I'm going ahead and just dropping down and skipping over the prices and upsells. I want you to see what I have to give you as bonuses. Bonus number 1, the ultimate Facebook traffic trick. Bonus number 2 is 12 steps to building a better business. Bonus number 3 is effortless video editing training course. And bonus number 4 is desktop vertical video. And 5 is the just recently released book from Mary Mercy called Stronger Than Circumstances. Just love it. Alright. So if you decide to get your copy of practical Canva tutorials, you can go ahead and click any of these links on the bonus page, which you can get to this bonus page by clicking the link in the description below this video, and then you'll be able to get your copy of whatever you want to get. If you want to get the bundle, or if you want to get just the front end, you will get a thank you and welcome from the folks over at Practical Income Generation. And like I said, I went through this whole thing. I got the bundle and I was completely impressed. And if you look at the sales page, by clicking the link in the description of this video, it'll get you here to the bonus page. And any link you click on my bonus page will take you directly to the sales page, which looks like this. And you can scroll down and get more info on it. And then you'll see what others are saying about this. And here I am with my review. Because I tested this. I kicked the tires, I checked under the hood, and I completely concur with this product. I think what you get here is extremely valuable. And you need to take a look at this. If you're interested, I use Canva on a daily basis. I use Canva in my business, and I usually use the free version. I've tried the pro version, but I find that just using the free version is sufficient for my needs. But I use it in my business regularly, and I have tons of colleagues and mentors and others that are using Canva on a regular basis. This training showed me some things that I didn't even know existed inside of Canva. So I know you're going to get your money's worth. And if you want to go ahead and look at what I have on my bonus page, which are the prices and upsells, my recommendation is that you just go ahead and get the beginner and advanced bundle for only $27. The reason why is the beginner may have a lot of stuff you already know if you're already using Canva, but there's some things in there that I thought were really surprising because I learned some things inside of the beginner that I didn't know. And of course the advanced, there were things that I might have known, maybe thought about, but there was so much more packed into it, and it's the best deal because you're going to want to get more than what you asked for. So they've got a couple of one-time offers, and they're around their practical inspirational graphics, private label level rights templates you can get, and they also have the practical inspiration graphics monthly template club, because their graphics are high caliber. And I promoted that a while back, and I've had people say that they really like it, and it's really high quality stuff. So again, if you decide to get this, you're going to get all of my bonuses, and all you have to do is purchase the beginner or the advanced or the bundle to get my bonuses, and then you'll get a thank you for your purchase from Warrior Plus, and you'll access your purchase with a green button and access my bonuses with the blue button. So if you like what you see here and you want to see more of my upcoming digital product reviews, if you want to support me and helping me upgrade my technology, because obviously I'm technologically challenged lately, I would love for you to comment below and tell me what you like most about this. Thank you. Bye for now.